Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Where in the World is Amanda?
And Brad.
And today we're in Santa Cruz de Tenerife. I'm sure I did say that right. Either way, it's part of the Canary Islands and it is owned by Spain, but it is technically on the African continent plate. So we are technically in Africa right now. So that makes third continent. Remember we told you we were going to 4. So now we're going to show you around a little bit. Today when we got off the ship, all of the passengers had to load onto these buses and they drove us just a really short distance to get us out of the actual port area, and then we could just walk across this bridge over into the city. Once you cross the bridge and the street on the other side of the bridge, you enter into a beautiful park-like setting. Here you will see the monument of the fallen, which serves as a memorial for the victors of the Spanish Civil War. After enjoying the beauty of this little park area for a little bit, we decided to go ahead and walk up into the city. And we didn't make it too far. We were hungry and decided to stop at the first restaurant that we saw to have some lunch. And there's a Golden Arches off in the distance. We've seen McDonald's and Burger King pretty much in every port that we've been to. Did you show these already? We don't know exactly what these are, but we think that they're stuffed with cheese. And this kind of looks like grape jelly and kind of tastes like grape jelly. So we're going to give it a try. See it? That's good. And we got chicken nuggets. It's ready. Having chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggies. You're silly. How's your chicken nugget? Is it delicious?
Better than McDonald's.
Better than McDonald's. I got this giant burrito wrap type thing that had chicken and vegetables and all kinds of fun stuff in it. And Shannon had this plate that I believe had chopped chicken and pork on it, maybe some beef too. And Brad just got a burger. After lunch, we did some more walking through the city. We kept seeing all these people carrying these bags that said ale hop, and we didn't know what that was. And then we saw the store, so we went in to check it out. It's like Amazon and Temu got together and set up a storefront. They've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. For the rest of the afternoon, we really just wandered around the city and sat and did some people watching and just enjoyed the beautiful day. And we've made a big circle and come out on the other side of the Monument of the Fallen. And that was pretty much our day today in Santa Cruz de Tenerife. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. And I'm leaving you a little extra blooper at the end of this video of Brad being silly. What is it? What are you showing us?
This is a bottle of agua.
Okay.
Cold water. The cool thing is when you take the top off, it does not come off.
It stays attached.
Stays
How on
attached.
earth do you take a sip from that bottle with it like that?
That way there's only one thing to litter the ground instead of two.
Exactly. And you don't want to litter anyway.
That will.
For the kids.
Oh yeah. Take two.